Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about how you can stream Netflix on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up a browser of your choice and go to the Netflix website. Over there, simply log in with your account. After that, open up your Discord and start a voice or video call with the person or a group you want to watch Netflix with. Locate the screen share button, which is represented by the icon resembling a computer monitor. It's usually located at the bottom of the call window. Click on the screen share and choose a screen or application window that has the Netflix content playing. Enable audio sharing if you want to transmit the sound along with the video. You can toggle this option on or off before starting the screen share. Once you have selected the desired screen or window and configured the audio settings, click on Registered Games in the settings and add Chrome on it. Once you have selected every detail, click on Go Live or Start Sharing. Now you can easily stream Netflix over on Discord. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.